Melody, and today I'm going to share with you a quick, easy recipe using quinoa. Quinoa is a high protein dish filled with all 9 amino acids, so you can't go wrong if you're using quinoa. If you don't know how to actually cook it, I'm going to link a video in the iCards above and in the description box below where it shows you how to make quinoa. 20 minutes, so easy. But today we're going to be making quinoa and black bean salad. Tasty, delicious, and nutritious. So let's go over the ingredients. We have 1 cup of cooked tricolor quinoa. We have 1 small bell pepper chopped green. We also have a red bell pepper chopped. Now I'm going to chop both of them the size of the black beans because we want to make everything as even as possible. We also have 1 large cucumber, which I also chopped. We have 1 cup of black beans. Now you can go ahead and cook these beforehand, so once you're ready to prepare a salad, everything is already cooked. And we have half of a small white onion. Now if you have a red onion, that is preferred, but we're using a white onion today. A white onion always gives an incredible bite, so to get rid of that bite, I always add a bit of apple cider vinegar. Allow it to sit for a few moments. That helps to remove that bite. Then we can go ahead and use it. Now we're going to add the ingredients together to make our quinoa and black bean salad. We have our quinoa, we have our black beans, we have our sweet pepper, green, sweet pepper, red, cucumber, onion, and we're going to mix everything together. Black beans gives it such an earthy texture, earthy taste. I absolutely love them. We'll just allow it to sit for a few moments. This can be served with lunch or with dinner. It's very high in protein. The quinoa is very high in protein. The black beans very high in protein. Our salad is done. Now it's time to taste. I want to make sure I get a bite to get some of everything in it. Delicious, so good. The only thing missing is a salad dressing. Easy salad dressing will take this over the top. If you happen to have a glut of quinoa on your hand and you're trying to find out what to do, I highly recommend making this salad. Quinoa and black bean salad? Now you need to try it.